Come over here and give your Aunt Bethany a kiss. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. Today we're going to be doing Ipsy. What kind of Ipsy? I don't know. I actually don't know what these are. They're like Ipsy bags, but like swollen. Today's video is also brought to you by Bright Sellers, which I'll be talking a little bit more about later on in the video. They're wine. They're fun. I could use some right now. And it has been so long since I've done any other unboxing for Ipsy besides the 3 Ipsys that I typically do, or the Ipsy X that I just did, that I literally have no memory, no recollection of what could potentially be inside these bags. Now I will tell you, I have about 30 of them in a closet over there. Y'all want to see the subscription closet? I would say this is like a visual representation of my mind, but it's far too organized for that to be the case. Anyway, I literally don't know what is inside these large bags. It's another one of the Ipsy subscriptions. Which one? I couldn't tell you. So what we're gonna have to do is get into both of these little guys here and see what we're dealing with. But first, let's drink some coffee out of a squirrel mug. It's 8 p.m. That's appropriate, right? All right, let's start out with this one here. It's the less hefty out of the two. I don't know why I like sort them by weights, but I do. Hopefully there is a card indicating what is going on in here. Is this bag even from this month? It's got lips on it. Is this from February? I thought I had 2 of these. I'm just gonna take a peek-see real fast. Are these both from February? They are from February. Oh no, I could have sworn I just got these. No. Hi there. Hi. Just popping in real quick to say, guess what just came? It's the actual bags from March. So we're just gonna open these up at the end of the video real fast. Okay, bye. But since we're already here, I guess I should go ahead and unbox them. I am so sorry. I really honestly thought that these were from March. These are the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus bags. I haven't unboxed one of these in quite some time. I literally didn't even remember these existed. And the very first thing that I'm pulling out of here is from Ahava. This is the Time to Hydrate Night Replenisher for normal to dry skin. We get stuff from this brand all the time. It's typically like a hand cream, so it's nice to see something a little bit different. Okay, the next item we have in here is from Tint. This is a Phantom liner. Really like this packaging. It looks really cool. This is in the shade black, so I'm assuming it's some type of eyeliner. Ooh, the packaging is just super nifty on this. So this is what the packaging looks like. I love that ombre from like black to white. This is super, super cool. It actually seems like a very nice black liner. It is very intensely pigmented and it went on very smoothly, like a super thin little brush. That's a very nice liner. And I'm really into this outer packaging. It almost makes me want to like look up their other makeup products and see if they have like cool ombre packaging too and like maybe get some. Okay, the next thing in here is from Violet Voss. This is a lip gloss from them. I typically only get like eyeshadow stuff from Violet Voss, so I'm pretty excited to see a different product. I got mine in the shade Love in Paris, very nicely themed for the month of February, last month, the month of love, not March, the month of... Oh, that smells really good. It smells like mimosas or something. That smells really nice. So this has one of those doe foots that has like the little hole in the center for, I don't know, it does something with the application. And then the gloss itself is just kind of like a very, very pale peach. That was a weird little giggle. That feels really nice on the lips, very like smooth, luxurious. Alright you guys, speaking of like mimosas and things, before we move on to the next product in here, I'm gonna tell you guys about today's sponsor, Bright Sellers. I'm not sure if you guys can tell or if it hasn't been apparent enough from this video here, but I've been pretty stressed this month and you know, like for all the other months before this one too. And a great way to unwind from the day is with a glass of wine. And my wine just happens to be also kind of fun because it is new wine that I have never experienced before, selected just for me based on my preferences, so I know I'm gonna like it. Bright Sellers offers hundreds of private label wines and they're adding new stuff every single month, so you know there's always going to be something new to try. I love the wine education cards that come with every single bottle. They explain so many things like the origins of the wines, the notes and pairing suggestions. I was so excited to try out Dead Stars and Black Holes because that name is just super cool. That sounds like a band I would have listened to in like 2007. To get your personalized wine, all you have to do is take a quick non-wine snobby 7-question quiz so your taste preferences can be gathered and certain wines will be delivered to you that you know you will like, and every single wine that you rate improves your future matches. And right now Bright Cellars is giving you guys an exclusive 50% off your first 6-bottle box plus a bonus bottle, which is 7 bottles in total, which is pretty fantastic. So follow my link down below in the description to take the quiz and get started. And just thank you so very much to Bright Cellars for sponsoring this video and your continued support of the channel. Alright guys, let's continue with our first February bag here. The next thing we have is a MAC Cream Sheen lipstick. This looks like a beautiful red shade. It's in the name or the shade or the... It's called Sweet Sakura. I really did not expect it to be this vibrant of a red. It's a little bit on like the orangey side, almost a little corally looking. So coral. I almost didn't do it. I almost. I can tell you, this eye with this lip, no ma'am. I am by no choice of my own currently wearing purple eyeshadow. It doesn't look nearly as purple as it did because it was so hideous looking on me that I had to put brown on top of it before I started filming. I will never forget the words that 11-year-old girl that I was watching an after school program. One day I showed up in a purple shirt and she just looked at me and went, "Honey, purple is not your color." And she was right. She was so right. It's really not. I do not look good in purple. So this purple eyeshadow with this red lip is just giving me hard Aunt Bethany vibes. Like I need some cheeks to pinch. Come over here and give your Aunt Bethany a kiss. Let Aunt Bethany pinch your cheeks. That's how I feel like I should talk right now. Okay, moving on. The next thing in here, I think I'm loopy from like just realizing how unorganized my life is that we're doing a February box at the end of March. Anyway, the next thing we have here is a brush from IT Cosmetics. This is the Heavenly Skin Hugging Foundation Brush. This looks super duper nice and fancy. IT Cosmetics has some very, very nice brushes. They're also pretty expensive. So yeah, let's go ahead and pop in here and see what this is like. Oh my gosh, that's so soft. Ew. Ooh, groundbreaking anti-aging skincare infused brush. I don't know how any of that could potentially possibly work literally at all, but I don't care. Okay, I thought they would give us like a list of all the prices and the items on the inside, but they do not. So I don't really know the value of anything right offhand, but yeah, it was a pretty nice bag, a MAC lipstick, an IT brush, Violet Voss lip gloss, some other things. It was a pretty good little bag, so I'm interested in seeing what is in this one. This one's pretty hefty. Again, we just have another little kissy bag here. And the first thing on top I am seeing is a Benton Deep Green Tea Cleansing Foam. I do believe this is a Korean skincare item. It does say on the front here, dermatologically tested, but I just recently found out through some type of video somewhere online that even if it says dermatologically tested, that doesn't necessarily mean that it's dermatologist recommended. So dermatologists could have tested it and like not liked it, but they still tested it. I don't know what trying to say this is a bad product or anything. I just recently found that out. Okay, next in here, ooh, okay, we have a beauty blender. I always love getting beauty blenders in subscription boxes. Like this is an actual beauty blender beauty blender brand blender. It comes in a really cute little container. It says Queen on the front and it has like a crown on it. And the reason I love getting beauty blenders in subscription boxes is because I do use them. I think they work very well, but they're way too overpriced and I don't like to pay for them. Okay, next in here, I'm gonna go for the squeezy tube. We have another little thing of the Ava Time to Hydrate thingy-merbob. All right, there are 2 items left. I'm gonna go for the longer box. Ooh, we have something else from Tint. I'm very excited. This time the outer packaging looks a little bit different. This is the Dew Balm. Okay, so again, very cute packaging. I mean, I have a preference for like the black and the white ombre because like everything in my life is just like black or white. Or apply a tiny amount directly onto skin with our built-in smooth glide applicator and blend for a natural dewy finish. And yeah, that's about all the information on this product. So I don't know if this is like some type of primer or you're supposed to use this like alone without makeup. I don't know, but it's cute looking. Alrighty, and the very last thing in here, we have yet another Violet Voss lip gloss. And this is also in the shade Love in Paris. So yeah, that rounds out both of the bags. I don't know why I get 2 Ipsy Plus bags. I don't know if I'm supposed to get 3 or just 1 or where the one came from, how I got 2, I don't know. But either way, I thought they were pretty decent. I think I like the first one better. I say a little bit of reservation because the bags were very similar, but I preferred getting this really, really soft brush in the first one. It feels so good. Let me know down below in the comments which bag you prefer. Let me know if you're mad at me that I posted a February bag at the end of March. I'm so very sorry about that. I really honestly thought these were March's bags. Hi guys, Okay, so the actual bags from March just came in, and we're gonna open them up real fast because I feel literally so bad about thinking those other bags came from March, but they're actually from February, and I made you guys sit through like me unboxing February even though it's March. Okay, so these are the Ipsy Plus bags from March. We're just gonna power through these real fast. Oh, cute! Okay, the first thing we have in here is a little set of 5 brushes. These are from MOTD, which we've definitely received like a lot of brushes from them before, but typically they aren't like pink. These ones are pink. The next thing we have in here, ooh, this is the Totally Tubular Assuming mascara from the brand Half Caked. I'm really sorry if you can see some like gross gunk like on my hands. I tried magnetic lashes for the first time today. That's why my eyes look like this, and it didn't go well. I like the color of this Totally Tubular I'm sorry, I'll stop. Of this packaging here, this like nice light purple. Looks like corn. The shape of the brush is pretty standard. I really honestly didn't realize how much these brushes look like corn on the cob until right now, but yeah, it has that standard kind of like corn on the cob look to it. The next thing we have in here is from Dose of Color. This is the Meet Your Hue, oh, full coverage concealer. That's fun. I thought this was going to be a lip product, but something a little bit different. Mine is in the shade 08 Light. I actually don't really use concealer. Probably should. Got some pretty serious dark circles under my eyes, but this looks pretty nice. I might actually have to give that a go. It's like a nice light neutral color. I like that. Are you gonna make you? I broke it. Oh, I didn't mean to. I don't know how that happened. Like the white stopper part just completely came out and it just out of the top. I don't honestly know what to do about that. Maybe if I just shove it back on. Yeah, we'll just do that. Just shove it back on. Yep, fixed. Okay, the next thing I'm feeling in here is a squeezy tube. This is from, oh, I think I've used this before or something very similar. This is the Vasanti Brighten Up Miracle Mask. It is a 5-in-1 mask with all sorts of fancy ingredients in it. I think it said it had turmeric, charcoal, papaya, just all sorts of stuff. I feel like I've had samples of this before, but yeah, that's nice. And then the last thing in here comes in a little bit of bubble wrap. This is Shades by Shan MBY The Makeup Studio Neutral Edition 9-pan eyeshadow palette. I like the packaging of this. It has that nice like slippery kind of silicone-y feel. These magnetic lashes are not magnetizing. Stay on there. Oh, okay, this is a very pretty color selection. It definitely is like, I guess technically a neutral palette, but it's definitely on the warm side. I love colors like this, but I do have a lot of palettes that look very similar to this. Okay, let's go ahead and move on to the second bag here. All right, so we have another little set of eye brushes here, and I honestly almost think you can't have too many eye brushes, though I'm probably verging on too many. Probably. I take it back. Maybe you can have too many eye brushes. Okay, the next item we have, oh, okay, literally it actually says item on it. So this item is the One Hit Prime Set and Refresh Dewy Face Mist. I do like this packaging. That clear lid's pretty cool, and then this like creamy bottom. I never use face mists or primers or anything like that, but why don't we just go ahead and give it like a little squeeze. My card filled up, so I had to like go like do stuff on the camera, and I just realized behind me the board just says scam. It makes sense in context of the video that it's from, but not this one so much. With the exception of like, I don't know if anything else could go worse in this video. Anyway, the next thing we have in here, it looks like another skincare product. Oh, this is from Goldfaden. Okay, it's another skincare product, but Goldfaden stuff is very expensive, and I really liked their under eye cream, but this is the Radical Difference Advanced Antioxidant Serum. This is for damaged skin. It also seems like a nice size of it, so I'm actually kind of excited about that. It's supposed to improve skin imperfections, illuminate dull skin, or reduce the appearance of redness, and leave skin glowing and vibrant. That's all things I could really need, especially like the redness and the dullness and that kind of stuff, so I'm kind of excited about that. And then the last thing in here is the Air Repair Complexion Boosting Moisturizer. So just a nice little thing of moisturizer here. It's for like very dull, tired, dehydrated skin, which again, that's me. Oh, and then the last thing in here we have is another, I'm sorry I said that I wasn't gonna do it again, but Totally Tubular mascara. I know when I watch this back, that's gonna sound so dumb, and I'm not gonna be able to like cut it out because I only said totally tubular in that voice every single time. So if you see that little clip of me saying totally tubular regularly over top of those other clips, that's why. Anyway, you guys, sorry for this just wild ride of an unboxing. I honestly thought those 2 packages had come from March. Maybe I just got my February ones like really late, so I thought they were March. But anyway, that is officially all I have for you guys today. Thank you so very much for watching and hanging in there. You guys are fantastic. Good job. Please go ahead and consider subscribing. I promise not every single well, actually I can't make that promise. I was gonna say not every single video is as much of a wreck, but like sometimes it just happens. Anyway, just have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.